Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. So, the touch area is located at the top of your earbuds, and right here we have a circle. This actually touch areas. If you press one time on your right earbud, you will increase the volume. And as you can see in this widget, it works. To lower the volume, you need to press one time on your left earbud. And you press on it, and you will lower the volume. If you press two times on your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. So 1, 2. And as you can see, I just pause it. 1, 2. And I play a song. Next, if you press 3 times on your right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2, 3. It works. And if you press 3 times on your left earbud, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. It works also. If you press and hold on your right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iPhone, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. Let's check it. I press and hold. And now, as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works. And also, we can press and hold at the left earbud, and we will swap between ambient sound control. So, you just press and hold, and now we will swap to ANC. Then, if you press and hold again, you will swap to transparency mode. And if you swap third time, you will return to normal mode. And the last one, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbuds, and you can finish the call or reject the call by pressing hold on your left or right earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!